Hello everyone, I'm making a video to teach you how to do a sort of towns and cities functionality inside your app. For this one I wanted a small data set just to show you. So I've decided to use province and region in Thailand. So the first thing you're going to need is a data set. So maybe you want to go on Google and I've done Thailand cities, provinces, CSV. And I ended up getting my data from here, and I downloaded my CSV so I can use it in the app. So let's have a look at the database here. I've got my collection here with all the provinces and the regions of Thailand. And then after setting that up, I've also made another collection with the options for the regions. And there's only 5 of these in Thailand. So it's nice and small and easy to show you. So once that's set up, on users I've got a province and region text field, and that's what we're trying to update here. So if we look at the home page, first we've got a drop down for the region select. The region select is just these 5 records here. Okay. All regions select, and I've done name A to Z. Then we're going to have a second drop down, which is going to be the other collection, which is the province and region collection. And what we want to do, we want to filter this one by the first drop down. So I've done added a custom filter. The region is equal to this drop down here. Okay, so that's the form input. Region select. Secondly, what I've done, it's sometimes visible if the selected region name is not empty. So this drop down won't appear until the first drop down is in place. Okay, and then finally we've got a button, and the button is going to update the logged in user with the province will be the form input province, and the region is going to be the form input region. By the way, I've named these drop down menus, and you should do the same just to make it a bit easier to follow what you're doing. And the final thing is, it's sometimes visible if this text field drop down is not empty, and it's going to make sure the user is going to fill in everything in order. And finally, we're just going to link to a page that's going to display the user's region and their province. Okay, so let's give that a go. Okay, so first we're going to have our region. So let's just, let's say northern. And then our second drop down has appeared because this is no longer empty, and we can pick our province. And once we've filled in that, our button appears. Let's click on that. Now that's updated our user, and we can see the user's region and province is now displayed, so it's worked as intended. Okay, and that's all for now, so thank you, and any questions please ask.